Yeah, ready?
Ma'am,
You want to the final?
My
yes,
people,
ma'am.
who are my people? My people,
Never
who are they? Where did the
Never
church,
know.
where the congregation worship my God? Were they my people? I felt no kinship with them as they knelt there. My people, who are they?
Where are they?
I went to the land where I was born, where men spoke my language, I was stranger there. My people, my soul cried. Who are my people? Last night in the rain, I met an old man who spoke a language I do not speak, which my one does not know my God. With a apologetic smile, he offered me the shelter of his scotch umbrella. I met his eyes, and then I knew. By Rojas, I call him Eloy.